see the surprise in the sky tonight. What was that?
It's a firework in the sky!